1.
Good evening. Today's lesson is about parentheses and the associative property of multiplication. Well, as we know, our different operations, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we work from left to right to do our problems. However, we know that multiplication and division happen before addition and subtraction. But what if we want the addition or subtraction part of the problem done before the multiplication and or division? Let's look at an example. 8 minus 4 plus 2 equals, let's change that just a minute. Let's try a different example. What if we had 2 times 3 plus 4? Well, when we have our problem written like this, we have to do the multiplication first. So we would do 2 times 3 and get 6 and add 4 to that to get 10. Well, what if we didn't want that? What if we wanted, oops, put the parentheses in the wrong spot. What if we wanted to do the addition first? We would do 3 plus 4 and get 7 times 2 and get an answer of 14. So you notice the parentheses changed the answer that we got for this particular problem. Okay, so let's look at another problem. Oops. 8 divided by 4 minus 2. I'm going to make sure that those little dots show up a little bit better. Okay, so we work from left to right. 8 divided by 4 gives me 2 minus 2 equals 0. Okay, how about we do it and we put the parentheses in. Okay, so we have 8 divided by 4 minus 2. Well, 4 minus 2 equals 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again, our parentheses change the answer that we have. Pause the video and copy this example into your notebooks. Welcome back. Now we're going to look at the associative property. The associative property says that 4 plus 5 plus 6, put my parentheses there, is going to equal, parentheses, 4 plus 5 plus 6. Well, let's see if that's true. 5 plus 6 is 11. Oops. Plus 4. Here we have 9 plus 6. Well, 4 plus 11 equals 15. And 9 plus 6 equals 15. So there you see it did not matter where we put the parentheses. The associative property says if it's addition, it doesn't matter where you put the parentheses, if the whole problem is addition. Well, let's see if that holds true with multiplication as well. So we have the problem 2 times 3 times 4 equals 2 times 3 times 4. Okay, so 2 times 3 equals 6 times 4. And over here we have 2 times 3 times 4 equals 12. 6 times 4 is 24. 2 times 12 is also 24. So it works both with addition and multiplication. Unfortunately, it does not work with division or subtraction. Please pause the video and write down this example along with associative property of multiplication. Welcome back. One more thing I'd like us to do. I would like you to work a couple examples and tell me whether or not these examples fit with the associative property. Okay, oops. We have 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. I'll put a comparison symbol here. On the other half of that would be 8 divided by, my division signs don't look really pretty, 4 divided by 2. That's one problem. The other problem I want you to work would be 8 times 4 times 2, comparison symbol, 8 times 4 times 2. Okay, I'd like you to work both of those problems. Pause the video. Welcome back. So, if you had worked your 2 problems, you would have found that this one does not work for the associative property of multiplication, but this one down here does. Please write any questions you have in your notebook. Go back and watch the video again to see if you can find the answers to those questions. If not, ask me tomorrow in class.